Good morning. It is a little after 5 o'clock on Tuesday morning. Let's get into the shop here. I came yesterday for a little bit. Worked on my truck. I got here late. Couldn't seem to wake up. So, Tuesday morning, gonna get going on working on this cab corner still. Almost got it looking halfway decent. Let's see here, I got quite a few more studs in it. But it's pulled out pretty good compared to what it was. This in here, right through here, is that's giving me the biggest problems. So that it's coming out, but it's kind of a bear. I got a couple highs or a couple low spots in here I'm trying to work out. High spot here. So this has got to go in, this has to come out, this has to come out, and this has to go in. So I think by putting some pressure, pulling some pressure out, tapping in these couple high spots, this should work itself out. So we'll get going on this and hopefully get it pretty good, throw the door back on, and then kind of go from there, I guess. Get the cab corner worked on, and hopefully we can get this thing. We are close. We're kind of almost to the point where it's like, maybe we should throw the door on. I know it looks pretty rough, but there's a little low spot right here and right here. I'm going to try to pull on those a little bit more. But this is pretty flat going in. The outside is pretty good, so I think I'm going to try to pull a little bit on the bottom too here. Good morning. Tuesday morning, or no, Wednesday morning. I am at the shop, obviously, gonna focus on getting these two doors wrapped up here. Just got some touch-ups to do on this door here. I got all my edges, gotta make sure those are all good. Get these all looking nice, some feathering and all that stuff. And then this one, I just have some cleanup to do on a little bit of just surface rust, a little bit of peeling. So can take care of that, and then flip both doors over, get the other sides taken care of. So all this is a eraser wheel on a drill. And get some of this glue off we got going on here. So just gonna take some 180 grit on my DA, feather all this out where the decals were, run over the top of this all bodywork real quick, and then this door should be pretty close to ready to flip over.
You can't trip me up, I won't fall. Somebody's trying to drag me down 24/7, but I don't care. When I look into the mirror without a shame, I'm gonna say fuck the past, it don't even matter, cause it never kept me down. I made a promise to myself, and anything that matters is me, and I'll have no regrets. Said I've got no regrets. I've got no regrets. regrets. I've got no regrets. I've got no regret, yeah. I've got no regrets. No, no, I've got no regrets.
Got done with the driver's side, not done with it, but as far as I can get it before I gotta go back or go to work. Got the front of the door flipped, or all done, sanded out, ready for primer. Flipped it over, ground down from here all the way around. So what I gotta do here yet, as you can see right here, that is where my two seams came together for the door skin. So lower door skin, original door skin. So what I gotta do here is just take my cutoff wheel and slice it, and then give a little tack weld right here. Then you won't even be able to tell where I seamed it together. And then the same on the other side. Yeah, a little dark here, but same on this side. It's a little bit wider. There to there. Alrighty, there you have it. A little bit of dauber filler. Feathered it out back. Tapers, just like this. Side tapers. This side's tapering. Yeah, on to the other side. Alrighty, just like that. That one's done. Nice taper line right to that. A little bit of filler, and you won't even know. Corners smoothed out, or cab corners, door corners smoothed out. The seam is, can't tell where we welded it together. Flows really good. All sides. Yeah, there you go. Kind of a simple, quick job today. The only thing left on this inside door is I gotta feather out with the DA. Feather it out with some 80 grit. Get it looking halfway decent to get it ready for primer. So that being said, I want to get we got a new scissors lift here. I want to get that underneath the truck so I can get that up in the air so it's not so low to the ground. It's our new scissors lift we got. Supposed to work pretty nice. I think it's supposed to lift about 6,500 pounds. So with my truck, without the doors and the box on it, I'm sure it's underneath 6,500 pounds. So that's what's going on this morning. Let's get to it. I got some other stuff going on. I got a shed. It's a 12 by 16 shed. I got to move tomorrow. I got the day off of work. I got to move that to my house. So yeah, it's gonna be hopefully gonna get over here to the shop in the morning, get a couple more hours in than I usually get since I got the day off. I don't think it's gonna take me that long to move the shed, so hopefully we can get that all squared up and get a little bit of extra time on the truck and get this thing moving down the road.